Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to play games that capture the exciting spirit of Brawl Stars, right within the Roblox platform. While you cannot play the official Brawl Stars game directly, many creative developers have built experiences inspired by its fast-paced action. You will find games featuring similar 3 versus 3 combat, unique characters with special abilities, and popular game modes like Gem Grab and Showdown. It is a fantastic way to enjoy that familiar brawling fun in a new environment. Finding these inspired games is quite straightforward. First, open the Roblox application or website. Then, navigate to the search bar and type in terms like Brawl Stars, Brawl Blocks, or Brawl Stars Simulator. You will see a list of results. Focus on games with a large number of active players and strong positive ratings, as these often indicate a well-developed experience. Always check the game's description to ensure it offers the specific brawling features you are looking for. Once you jump into one of these games, you will typically choose from a diverse roster of characters, each possessing unique attacks and a powerful super ability. Matches are usually fast-paced and objective-based, often concluding within 2 to 5 minutes. You might find yourself collecting 10 gems, scoring 2 goals, or being the last player standing in a battle royale. As you play, you will earn in-game currency, which you can use to unlock new brawlers and enhance their power levels. To truly excel and have the most fun, consider teaming up with 1 or 2 friends. Coordinated teamwork in 3 versus 3 matches can significantly increase your chances of victory. Spend some time practicing with various characters to understand their strengths, weaknesses, and how to best utilize their unique abilities and supers. Finally, explore all the different game modes available. You might discover a new favorite that perfectly suits your playstyle. Enjoy your brawling adventures on Roblox.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.